Hello, I've been gifted with this smart water dispenser for cats. Let's open and see what's inside. You can see right here some usage tips, how to use it properly. It holds 3 liters of water. When you open, there's extra accessories that you might need. This is all the accessories you get in the package. This is a pump filters. You get 2 packs of water filters. C-top charger. It can last up to 60 days on one charge. Some cleaning and stainless steel water tray that you put on top. It's very important to wash your water tank and water tray weekly to prevent bacteria growth. And to do that, we use friendly soap. You can use provided brush to get small spaces like right here if you need to. Make sure you don't wash the main unit. All you have to do is change pump filter and water filter. Before you put it back in here, you have to soak it for a couple minutes with water. And you change pump filter. You want to pat dry your tray. You have water level window right here to pour the water and see how much you have it there. You don't want to put too much so that it won't spill. To power on, you have to hold for a couple seconds and the machine is going to start. You have 3 options right here. First mode is when the pet is within 1.5 meters in front of the machine. AR sensor will trigger and the machine dispenses water for 15 seconds. The second mode is timing mode. It will automatically dispense for 15 seconds for every 30 minutes. And the last one, you have to turn on into the charger cable because it's continuous water dispensing. You have 2 indicators here. One is for low battery and one for low water. He was confused at the beginning, but now he actually likes it. It's a great product for your furry friends to give them clean water.